Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. These fresh components are the foundation for a rich and creamy Alfredo sauce, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Now let's begin cooking. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant. It's crucial not to let the garlic brown, as this can impart a bitter taste to your delicious sauce. Next, pour 1 cup of heavy cream into your skillet with the fragrant butter and garlic. Bring the cream to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, but be careful not to let it boil. Once simmering, gradually whisk in half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Continue whisking until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce becomes wonderfully smooth and velvety. Finally, it's time to season and serve. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to your creamy Alfredo sauce. Stir everything together until the seasonings are well combined. Taste and adjust if needed. Then, toss your freshly cooked pasta directly into the sauce, ensuring every strand is coated. Serve your homemade Alfredo pasta immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.